Hello everyone, welcome back. We hope you're clear with what took place in the previous video where the opening statement and the agenda was framed. Now, the parties will start the discussion on the agenda framed regarding specific performance and the time limit of delivery. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you, mediators. I really want to perform this contract, but I seek some cooperation from Mr. Bharat. So I would humbly request Mr. Bharat to grant an extension of 3 to 4 months so that I can perform this contract.
We thank you. We thank Mr. Amrit for accepting and acknowledging the fact that we are willing to perform the contract. However, as per my client's request, I don't think it would be possible for us to give a 3 to 4 months extension.
I do understand the situation which you are going through. However, it is not only you that is suffering, it is all of us. Together we are suffering through this pandemic, and then we are all trying to build up our business back. And it is you also should understand my situation, that I'm already suffering huge losses, and already with the third party obligation, I'm already suffering huge losses, and also all my reputation which I have built up is slowly tarnishing. So you have to understand about my situation too.
So if I may just clarify here, so Mr. Bharat, are you trying to say that you have some sort of a third party obligation here?
Yes.
Can you elaborate on that, please?
My client is further supposed to deliver the goods to a third party, which is Mr. Raju, and the date that was promised was right after the date by which Mr. Amrit was supposed to give the goods to us. So we are already way behind schedule, and as a result, we are facing compensatory damages, and therefore it is leading to quite a huge monetary loss to our client as well.
So Mr. Amrit, would you like to address the same?
I'm really sorry to hear about your loss, but you have to understand my situation as well. Because of the earthquake and COVID, I'm still recovering from my losses, and I would require minimum 3 to 4 months to complete the contract.
Sorry for your loss incurred because of the third party obligation, but the thing is, according to the contract, there was frustration of the contract because of unforeseen events like COVID, and the scenarios like earthquake cannot be predicted. So my client humbly likes to carry on with the process of the contract with extension period of 3 to 4 months.
Well, we are empathetic to Mr. Amrit's situation. However, at the same time, you have to understand our client's situation as well. As I mentioned, he has already faced monetary losses. He is still facing monetary losses, and on the other hand, everybody is affected by COVID. So we are simultaneously dealing with cases of COVID in our family as well. So the world has opened up during the pandemic and despite the pandemic. So therefore, a delay or a halt in businesses would not be a sustainable economic model. Therefore, we request you to come up with alternatives to your sourcing rather than just delaying the entire process by 3 to 4 months, as it will keep increasing our losses.
Even though there is alteration of the process and stuff, but we have to take into consideration about the traveling regulations imposed by the government. Since my client stays in Maharashtra, the restrictions are far too high compared to the other states. So we would like an extension period not only for the procurement of the goods, but also for the transportation regulations to be followed and to be delivered.
We understand the situation, of course, and that there is certain restrictions on transportation. However, it is still open from 9 to 5, and therefore we would expect some sort of deliverables to have been made so far, which has not been the case. So therefore, I don't see how 3 to 4 further months of extension is going to help in that case, without you coming up with any sort of alternatives, because the restrictions are going to continue.
I think we have a deadlock here. Therefore, I request both the parties to proceed with the caucus session where mediators will meet with the parties confidentially.
Absolutely correct. We'll have one-on-one session with you guys in the caucus.
Thank you for watching this video from the Center for ADR. We hope you enjoyed it. In our next video, we will try to explain the caucus session. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and comment down below if you have any questions or recommendation for future videos. Thank you.